Hi everyone, just wanted to say hi. How is everybody doing? We're gonna try and do like an unboxing haul right now with a bunch of really good goodies I got with my girlfriend at a very fancy LA boutique. So I want you to go ahead and join me and check it out, and you guys will uh, enjoy it with me. And we also have a really nice Zojurushi rice cooker that I got that I've been looking for a while, and I'm just super excited to try it out. So this first store that we went to is called Larissa Love Cosmetics, and it's a really nice fancy store in Santa Monica, which is a part of LA. Like, it's a really cute little boutique that they sell candles and different uh, um, like Buddhist, different incenses, different teas, and fragrances, and just jewelry. Look how lovely they bagged it. How lovely is that? And then they have like a really nice tea. It's called Zen Garden Larissa Love Herbal Tea. How lovely is that? It has like this metal cap that you can put on, and like another cap, and it's really just it hermetically seals this tea canister. Oh, it smells so good. It's like peaches, and it has leaves of different chamomile, rose petals, different things, and it looks like a really nice fine quality tea. So I'm excited to try and brew it and enjoy it with a couple of friends, just to have like a small tea party or whatever. So I hope you guys like my Easter decorations right behind me. They're really pretty. I really love it. But Easter is gone. Hope everyone had a fantastic Easter. It's over, that's behind us. Now we're on to summer, 4th of July, and different exciting barbecues, etc. So this is a candle. We went to a specialty fragrance store, and this candle they didn't have in stock, so I had to order it, and it had to come to my house. I'm sure you've all heard of these candles. The Instagram influencers have, they're super popular, called Cire Trudon. I know this is a famous, like a famous French brand. And let's discover it together. It says Cire Trudon, established in 1643. 1643, and the flavor that I chose is called Cyrnos. And Cyrnos smells so divine, you guys. It smells essentially like the forest and the trees and the and like strawberries and raspberries, and a little bit of moss, and a little bit of incense, and like woody things, and just like balsamic fragrance to it. So I'm excited to light it and to see how wonderful this is. I got the mini candle. The Cyrnos that they had was a large candle as well, and that candle can definitely be a lot more pricier. So this one is lovely, and I can't wait to try it. So that's super exciting. I think they gave me some kind of a gift. Oh yeah, they sent a couple of compliments, a couple of Lucky sent several fragrances here that we can go ahead and check out. One is Tom Ford Rose de Chine. Oh, that's a famous one, the new famous Tom Ford line that came out. Delina. Oh, I love that. The pink bottle from Parfum de Marly. And, excuse me, 1861, excuse me, Naxos Georgia. So I'm excited to try these fragrances as well. So now on to our like a bigger purchase here, and I've been wanting and shopping around for this guy for a while. Let's see here. This one was shipped. It took a while to ship. You know, we've been having issues with all our chain supply, you know, issues here. And here is our wonderful guy. It's Zojurushi rice maker. I'm so excited. The Zojurushi rice maker. It has like a smart computer inside of it that knows how to cook your rice just right, that it's cooked. You know, it has the microcomputer memory inside of it, that it knows how to cook it just right. And that way we have, you know, just the right texture to it. So it has some, of course, some manuals and stuff. Oh, how cute is that? It's a little spoon. Comes with a little spoon and a cord. Yeah, I've been waiting to buy just so I was gonna buy the Neuro Fuzzy, but this one particularly was a better price and also a large quantity for a big family. For instance, you can get, oh, see how lovely this is? It's, hope everybody can see. It has 2 measuring cups. It has 2 measuring cups and a fairly large bowl that is dishwasher safe, I believe. See, it's very big. It's 5 cups, brown rice, white rice, sushi rice. And I can't wait to try it. And it has, I think it's a holder for a spoon. And oh, how cute it is. And here's the kicker. And it plays a song when once it's done cooking your rice in the end. It plays like a really fun song in the end. I think it's Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, but we'll check it out, test it out. I'm excited. It has sushi, porridge, sweet brown. Oh, I can't wait. This is my Mother's Day gift, and I can't wait to check it out and try it and see how it comes out. If the rice comes out really lovely and perfect, I think it will. Okay, you guys have a great day. Bye-bye.